Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success while others struggle? Could it be a matter of mindset? Welcome to the fascinating world of positive affirmations. These are powerful, positive statements that can help you overcome self-sabotaging negative thoughts. They encourage you to visualize and believe in your ability to achieve your dreams and goals. Now let's dive a bit into the science. There's a concept called neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. What we think and feel can actually change the physical structure of our brains. That's right, our thoughts have a tremendous power to shape our reality. So, what does this mean for your journey to success? It means that by consciously choosing positive, empowering thoughts, you can rewire your brain for success. The key to unlocking your potential could be as simple as the thoughts you choose to focus on every day. Imagine the power of starting each day with a strong, positive statement about your own success and potential. How might that transform your life? Firmly rooted in this belief, let's dive into an ocean of affirmations that could serve as your guiding light towards success. Picture yourself repeating, "I am a magnet for success." Feel the vibration of these words as they resonate within you, attracting opportunities and propelling you towards your goals. Now say to yourself, "Every day, I am becoming more successful." This affirmation reinforces the notion that success is not a destination, but a journey. Embrace your victory with the affirmation, "I am a winner," and own your triumphs, big or small. Declare with conviction, "Victory is mine," and acknowledge that you are in control of your success. Lastly, affirm, "Success comes easily to me," and let this belief permeate your consciousness, paving the way for effortless achievement. Incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine could open doors you never thought possible. So, how do we make these affirmations a part of our everyday lives? Well, it's simple really. Start by weaving them into your morning routine. As you stand before the mirror, preparing for your day, let these powerful phrases echo in the quiet moments. Let the words, "I am a winner" or "Success is my birthright" roll off your tongue like a mantra, a promise to yourself. Now, repetition is key here. Just as a river carves its path through persistent flow, your mind shapes its reality through repeated affirmations. And belief, my friends, is the fuel that drives this process. Trust in the potency of your words. Believe in their transformative power. Let these affirmations seep into your consciousness. Let them become your compass, guiding you towards your goals. Remember, change is gradual, success is a journey, and it all begins with a thought, a powerful, resolute thought. Your journey to success starts with a single thought. Make it a powerful one.